Hello, this is Real World Audio, and today we are going to a little bit deeper into the realm of audio and looking beyond the surface, those questions that everyone thinks that it's the most important, the most urgent at the moment. Which amplifier or which deck shall I buy? So those are valid questions, but you need to look much further than that and be aware that sound and music has power, and it has the power and the ability to heal or to destroy. And when you are choosing your equipment that plays back your music, that provides sound for you, you are also choosing a method to steer your life towards a certain path. Because every stereo system, every playback mechanism, it really influences us, not just at the conscious level, but at the subconscious level. I have been observing people with stereo systems for many, many decades now. And there is a very strong correlation between aggressive sounding stereo systems and aggressive people. And I've noticed that when aggressive people got their stereos, which sound very aggressive, they have become even more aggressive over the years than they were before. Certainly, if the system is refined, has lots of refinements, even if it's being aggressive, that also imparts refinement on the personality, on that person. But still, you will observe tremendous ego attached to the owner of those equipments in general. On the other hand, if you are looking for reproduction systems which are not imposing themselves on the audience, which are not seeking your attention, which do not cry out, I am such and such audio equipment, listen to me because you are hearing me. There are equipment which allows you to just listen to the music, to just go deeper, and these people usually are much better balanced who own such equipment. They are much more content with their life. They are not constantly fiddling with their stereo. Their second home is not Craigslist. So instead of buying and selling audio gear constantly, you can just go into buying music and listening into music and being able to absorb it, to connect it. And in general, if you have a system that lets you listen to music, even if you do not hear excessive details, it will bring the ability for you to heal, to get your life in order, and just be happy and content. Of course, for everyone, there is different thing that brings happiness to you. So maybe you are the one who needs absolute detail level to be happy. Just today, I'm giving you an advice to everyone, to all of you. When you listen to your stereo, take count. What is the effect on your body, on your mind that your system does? Do you feel restored, regenerated, healed after a listening session? Or do you feel worn out as if you run a marathon? I'm not saying one is better than the other and you should have one or the other. I am saying that you should be aware what your stereo does to you, and you should ask the question, is this what I want? Is this what I need? If it's a fast car ride that you need to wear you out, then you should go for that. And why should you go for that? Because there's two kinds of people in general. One of them are the ones who have a lot of things happening in their lives. And these people need balance, need healing to restore all that stress, all the hard work, maybe all the excitement or all the bad things or the tragedies that happen to you. Then you need a stereo system that heals you, that restores you. Also, there are people who are bored. Some people are just bored out of their minds, and or maybe they have busy lives, but they do not find anything that really engages them and makes them feel alive. And in this case, you need a stereo system that goes to 11, that takes you out of the grayness and misery and non-event of everyday life. So this was my video for today. Today, when you listen to your system, just go deep into it and observe yourself as much as you observe the sound, and just think about your life, what it is that's happening with you. Are you happy with it? Do you find joy in it? And progress with your audio equipment accordingly. If you already have the balance you need, then keep it. If your stereo is not congruent with your life situation, then change it. So thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. Bye bye.